Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace be upon you all and welcome to the channel. This is an addendum to the Java Development Kit lecture where we discussed the tool or the command to create a Java header for C files. C as in the programming language C, which is short for, if I recall correctly, collection. This was the command or the tool that we discussed, though this may be absent in all newer versions of Java. So the newer command or the newer tool that we will use to create a Java header instead will be Java C space, and then we will add the flag. Flags normally are preceded with a hyphen to indicate that it is a flag, which is basically a modifier for the command. So this is not to compile the file, but rather to create a header file. So I simply wanted to add this because I forgot to mention it in the previous video. I hope this lecture was helpful and beneficial to you all. Enjoy the rest of your day, everyone. Be safe, take care, and peace be upon you all. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.